Hi guys! Kamusta na kayo? Kamusta na kayo? Sobrang tagal na ng huling video natin. Actually, 2 years ago or almost 2 years ago. But definitely, more than 1 year na tayong hindi nakakagawa ng video. But I've been receiving so many messages. Pasensya na kayo, medyo shaky. Hindi na tayo sanay mag-vlog. Pasensya na talaga. Pasensya na guys. But definitely, na-miss ko kayo at akala ko nga hindi na ako babalik sa vlogging eh. I'm always present. I'm always posting sa other social medias like Facebook, but definitely nami-miss ko ang basketball, nami-miss ko ang mga Barangay Ginebra fans. And of course, sa mga fans ng PBA, alam nyo, sasabak ang Barangay Ginebra mamaya sa isang napakalaking pagsubok. Actually, San Miguel Beermen is always you know, the team na kailangan mong talunin if you want to win a championship, whether it will be in the semifinals or in the finals, kailangan mong dumaan sa San Miguel. It's always like that. San Miguel is a very, very formidable team, lalong-lalo na kapag Philippine Cup. So, ang Barangay Ginebra, sasabak mamaya. San Miguel, they're on a 10-game winning streak. They're on a 10-game winning streak. They lost the first two games if I remember it right. Tinalo nila ang NLEX, uh, easy peasy para sa San Miguel. Actually, nagbigay ng magandang laban ng NLEX in the beginning of the game, but of course, everybody's expecting that San Miguel will win and eventually reach the semifinals. Not the finals, not yet, but I think Ginebra is going to give them a very, very good fight. Lalaban ng husto ang Barangay Ginebra dito. At pasensya na kayo guys, medyo shaky talaga ako. Dahil for the last, yun nga, almost 2 years hindi tayo nag-video. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako, babawi ako. Actually, I'm in a car right now. Huminto lang ako just to update you. Baka nakakalimutan ninyo that we have a game later, Barangay Ginebra on the second game of the semifinals in Araneta Coliseum. Lalaban sa San Miguel Beermen, ang Barangay Ginebra naman. They're on a 7-game winning streak, I think. Not bad. Not bad for a team na sabi ng iba, mahina na yan. Jamie Malonzo is out. Tapos may mga iniinda pa nung una. Um, they are very, very young team. They're experienced, of course. Nakakarating sa semis, finals. They're an experienced team, but compared to San Miguel Beermen, mga kuya na yun. Like, for example, RJ Abarientos, he is the leading scorer of Barangay Ginebra right now, averaging 18 points per game. So, pang ilang taon pa lang ba ni RJ? This is only his second year after he won the Rookie of the Year last year, 'di ba? So, this is only the second year of RJ Abarientos, and guys, he is the leading scorer of Barangay Ginebra. So, doon pa lang makikita nyo na that this team is very, very young. When your leading scorer is your sophomore player, this team is very, very young. Of course, Chapit Aguilar is there. Scotty Thompson, of course, is there. Sila yung leader ng team na to. Sila yung leader ng Barangay Ginebra. But in terms of scoring, right now, the one who's leading them is only in his second season here in the PBA. Although he seasoned international basketball sa UAAP, he's a legend, masasabi ko. But here in the PBA, he's still testing his skills to be um, to be a superstar in the league. I think he's the next generation superstars. He's one of the next generation superstars. So Barangay Ginebra ang lalabanan nila, San Miguel Beermen, who is averaging 108.7 points per game. But they are allowing actually 97.3. Medyo mataas yan. Because ang laruan talaga ng San Miguel Beermen is paramihan tayo ng puntos. Talagang paramihan tayo ng mai-shoot na bola. Ayan ang laruan ng San Miguel Beermen. Actually, CJ Perez is leading them 18.7 points per game. Pangalawa si Junmar Fajardo with 17.7, but 5 of San Miguel Beermen players averaging in double figures. Nandyan din sina si Don Trolian, of course, with 16.8 and 12.1 para kay Jericho Cruz, only four players averaging double figures. Comment lang sa comment section. Maybe medyo may hindi ako nakita dito, but those guys, man. CJ Perez 18.7 and 17.4 by Junmar Fajardo, but look at this, 15.3 rebounds per game ang ibinibigay ni Junmar sa San Miguel Beer. Grabe yun. Yun ang kailangang lagpasan ng Barangay Ginebra. San Miguel Beermen's rebounding. Dahil kapag hindi nila na-contain si Junmar in rebounding, medyo mahihirapan sila. But Barangay Ginebra, they're only averaging 97.3 points per game. But in defense naman, they're only giving up 87.7. So ito talaga. So yung defense talaga ang magiging susi para sa Barangay Ginebra in this series versus the mighty San Miguel Beermen. So for me, dati kasi sinasabi ko Japet Aguilar, kung ano ang ilalaro ni Japet Aguilar, ganun ang mararating ng Barangay Ginebra. Si Scottie Thompson kasi it's given eh. Kahit naman hindi pumunto si Scottie Thompson, the effort that he is giving every day, every game. Kung sa ibang players, problema yung second, third, fourth effort, hanggang 10th effort, si Scottie Thompson, regular yan. Kahit hindi pumuntos yan, pinapakinabangan yan ng koponan ng Barangay Ginebra. So for me, dati sinasabi ko, Barangay Ginebra is going where Japet Aguilar is taking them. But here in this conference, may nakita ako, Japet Aguilar is not performing so well, pero nananalo ang Barangay Ginebra. So, talagang total team effort ito ngayon. Of course, sino ba naman ang makakalimot sa buzzer beater na 3-pointer ni Stephen Holt. Stephen Holt is one of the players na aasahan ng Barangay Ginebra dito sa kanilang serie against San Miguel Beermen. And of course, Jeremiah Gray, he needs to step up. But the player of the week in the last week of December, RJ Barrientos, he is the key factor for Barangay Ginebra in winning a series against San Miguel Beermen. He needs to be kailangan ng tumanda eh. Kailangan ng tumanda ng laro ni RJ Barrientos. He doesn't have a choice. Sabi nga niya, kailangan may gawin siya. Kailangan niyang pumuntos. Wala na siyang choice. Sa kanya nang galing yan. And I believe him when he said that because RJ Barrientos is the key factor for Barangay Ginebra. Imagine the second-year player, RJ Barrientos, siya ang aasahan ng Barangay Ginebra para talunin ang San Miguel Beermen. The mighty San Miguel Beermen. Pero guys, I want to congratulate Barangay Ginebra fans, the legions of Barangay Ginebra fans, you are so loyal. Congratulations. Akala natin talagang mawawala na sa semifinals ng Barangay Ginebra at tatapusin sila. Napakahusay din naman. Kudos to Converge 5 Rexers. But Barangay Ginebra, not that night. They didn't go silently into that night. Talagang pinakita nila sa Converge na kailangan nyo pang magmatrikula ng konti pa para lagpasan yung, for me, top 4, top 3 teams. Talagang ang lalagpasan mo dyan to get into semifinals. Kahit Areno siya, nahihirapan sa Meralco Bulls. Because for me, definitely, the top 4 teams in the PBA right now, San Miguel, Tocontex, Barangay Ginebra, Meralco Bulls, you can scramble it, but they are the top 4 teams in the PBA right now. If you want to get into the semifinals, kailangan yung talunin ang isa dyan. So, hindi nga nagawa ng Converge, hindi nagawa ng Rain or Shine, Meralco Bulls at TNT. Napakaganda ng serye nito, guys. Pumunta kayo sa mga venues. Napakaganda ng mga laro natin sa semifinals. Kahit magkakapatid yan, magpapatayan yan para lang makarating sa finals at manalo ng kampiyonato dito sa PBA. Napakahirap manalo ng kampiyonato dito sa PBA because of those 4 teams. At sila na naman ang maglalaban-laban in the semifinals. But definitely, paano nyo pagsasawaan pagka ganitong ka-quality ang ipapakita ng laro ng 4 na koponan na ito? Barangay Ginebra, guys, congratulations to Barangay Ginebra fans. You are in the semifinals. Kahit marami nagsasabi, humina ang Barangay Ginebra. Humina, definitely. Sorry. Humina sila, yes, of course. Sino ba namang hindi hina kung mawawalan ka ng players kagaya nila Jamie Malonzo? If you will trade players like Christian Stan Hardinger. But of course, this is the new generation of Barangay Ginebra. You have a new generation player like RJ Barrientos. Definitely, this is a test for RJ kung ano ipapakita niya against San Miguel Beermen in this semifinals. So congratulations. Ngayon pa lamang sa mga PBA fans dahil magkakaroon kayo ng napakagagandang pares ng semifinals matchups. TNT versus Meralco Bolts, Barangay Ginebra versus the mighty San Miguel Beermen, guys.